It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! I am back. Check it out. I got my Star Wars shirt on today. I just happened to grab this. It was sitting on the top of the laundry. I gotta say, I am having the worst time keeping up with my laundry. You know how it is. You guys know how it is. You do a load, you put it away, and there's 3 more loads to be washed. And then you can never get caught up. It's that horrible cycle of laundry. That's where I'm at. So, I don't know where I found this, but I got Star Wars Christmas on today. Speaking of t-shirts, thank you so much, Chris. This guy shops. Go check out his channel. He bought the very first Giving Thanks t-shirt from our new t-shirt company that Lenny and I are doing called Bonleo. I'll put the link below. It's Bonleo. Super easy to remember. We've got all kinds of good stuff. We keep adding things. I've got some new Christmassy things coming. It takes a while to get stuff up because we're not just throwing everything on. We're really, we spend about 4 or 5 hours on each design, and they're very well thought out. So go check it out. We have tees and hoodies. I know a lot of people are asking about like keychains. I might do an ornament. I don't know. That might be fun for Christmas. I'll have to see if I can figure out how to do one. But anyway, it's so much fun. So Chris, when you get your Giving Thanks t-shirt, let me know what it looks like. I'd love to see a picture. Anyway, oh my gosh, you guys. Today I'm going to do Bright Christmas Morning from Bath & Body Works. A lot of people were asking for a review on that. I did go to TJ Maxx and Marshall's, was that yesterday? TJ Maxx has a ton of stuff, like tons. I bought a couple of Christmas presents. Marshall's has got a lot of palettes, and then I have not done a philosophy review in forever. So I got hot cocoa and I got candy cane. This is the shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath formula. I kind of want to see what this is like. I'm going to test this out for you guys and do a little review. Philosophy always has like these wonderful, apple cider, and I forgot. I used to use them a long time ago. So I thought I would try it again just to see. So I got lots of cool Christmas stuff coming other than Bath and Body Works. I know a lot of people want to try different stuff out. So Bright Christmas Morning comes in the trio with, here it is. Frosted Coconut Snowball, the Bright Christmas Morning, and the infamous Jolly Gingerbread Village. I'm going to do a big ranking video because I think you guys are going to be surprised where everything lands on my list. So I'm not a huge fan of Frosted Coconut Snowball. Love the packaging. I'm wondering what else is going to be in this collection because there's like only 3 right now. Are they going to put hot cocoa and cream in here? 'Tis the season. We don't know yet. So Bright Christmas Morning. It's beautiful. It makes a great gift. However, I'm not a huge fan. Honestly, it's another one where if you like it, you like it, and you don't, you don't. It's got ripe red berries, blood orange, and crisp apple. And boy, is that blood orange, like, I think it's the blood orange. I don't like that note at all. It's very sharp. It's funny. I like it better when I first spray it, but when it dries down, I don't know what it is. It smells like, I'm using the word putrid and rancid lately. What's wrong with me? Is this like the Christmas season here? When this dries down, it smells so sharp and dry and pungent. It just really gets to me. I don't know. I'm not a fan at all in the mist. This I wasn't a fan last year. I remember. It was in the pink. Remember the pink? I like the packaging. So it also comes in the Diamond Shimmer Mist. You know I love my Diamond Shimmer Mist. I had to get it just because I collect the Diamond Shimmer Mist. I'm like, I'm getting it. Did I use an app reward? No, I didn't because it's $18.95. Again, there's that sharp note on the dried out. Why is the pump not even working, you guys? There we go. Why don't we have the Diamond Shimmer Mist, by the way, in Twisted Peppermint, Vanilla Bean Noel, and Winter Candy Apple? We have the Shimmer Fizz Lotion, which I don't like as much, but this was so pretty. I had to get it. I do like the cute little mouse. So that was fun. By the way, the mouse has a name. Did you guys go on your app? What was the mouse's name? Hold on. I gotta see. Where's my Bath & Body Works app here? Have I lost the Bath and Body Works app? I was having trouble with it earlier. Anyone else? Oh, here it is. I found it. Let's see. Nora. The mouse's name is Nora. They've got a couple things on there, so we'll be talking about all this stuff that's like coming out. By the way, Candle Day is going to be a members app exclusive. We're going to talk about that again. I might talk about that tonight. That's like big news. So anyway, Nora the mouse on the Diamond Shimmer Mist is cute. I had to get it. It also comes in the bar soap. Oddly enough, I don't mind the bar soap as much. The cream, again, I don't even mind the cream as much. It's the mist that really gets to me. So I feel like in the cream, in the shower gel, this one smells more like red berries and just like a really strong fruit. It reminds me of a Christmas punch, I gotta say. You know how Christmas punch, I love Christmas punch. I'm a huge fan of Christmas punch. I don't get quite that odd note though in the cream. It's only in the mist that I get that weird dry down. So the shower gel, I actually don't mind the shower gel. Like this is a really nice wake up shower gel. To me, there's none of that odd, putrid, rancid, dry, blood orange note in the shower gel. Basically what you get is you get like berries and that nice orange. And it actually smells pretty good. I gotta say, I used the shower gel the other night. I have like two. I have a set of like each of them. I have two of each. So I've been using the shower gels, and I gotta say, I like the shower gel. It's kind of interesting that the shower gel is actually nice. So yay for the shower gel. I'm going to go like a big no on the mist. So actually, I like the Jolly Gingerbread Village mist a lot better than the Bright Christmas Morning. So I don't know. A lot of people have not been super happy with Christmas this year. And I got to say, it's a tough year. I mean, I'm really loving like the winter candy apple, vanilla bean Noel, twisted peppermint this year. But you know, as far as the gourmand sense, we need our hot cocoa and cream. That would really, I think, turn Christmas around for a lot of people. So, we kind of wait until we see what comes next. In the meantime, we have the lip care sale coming up tomorrow. This body care big day coming up on Saturday, which I'll have more information about. In the meantime, let me know what you think of Bright Christmas Morning. Again, I'm just not a fan. I don't know. I may gift off the mist at the end of the season. I gotta keep all these so I can rank and review them for Christmas. Anyway, oh my goodness, I will be back on later. Check it out. I got 2 videos done before 4 o'clock. I am very excited. I got so much to review. I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye bye.